This is the SM628 tire changer with bead press system by Cemb USA. This machine features an adjustable bead breaker, a high torque 220 volt dual speed motor, 2-stage inflation system, and comes standard with a Polymer quick change head. First thing we're going to do is remove the valve stem and let the air deflate from the tire. And then break the bead on both sides of the tire. Next, we'll go ahead and mount our tire onto the tire changer. We'll go ahead and clamp our rim using our rim clamp assist cone. Once we have the D-mount head adjusted in vertical position, we'll go ahead and back it off a quarter turn. Using the bead press system, we'll go ahead and depress the tire under the drop center and go ahead and place our tire lever in the position. Using the press arm, we'll go ahead and apply pressure 180 degrees away from the D-mount head. Next, we'll use our lower bead dismount roller to lift the tire off of the rim. Apply a generous amount of lube to the bead of the tire and to the rim. And now we're ready to mount the tire. To mount the top bead, we'll use our bead press system and press arm. Lastly, inflate the tire to proper PSI. Thanks for checking out the SM628 tire changer by Cemb USA.